In this discussion, you can see database schema of this custom model. In previous video, had discussion about how to create custom module and create model and its view. In case you missed that discussion, please review, and the link is given in description. Now we'll go to terminal and log in into database. So right now we are inside the database and trying to find that model. Here you can see school.profile, but in ORM side, when creating this new model into database, that time ORM will replace dot with underscore, and the table name create like this, school underscore profile. So right now we will copy this one. I just simply do like instead of this dot to replace with underscore, and I will try the same thing from semicolon. Here you can see only one record found, and you can also verify from front end side. See here, this is a school profile and having only one record. The main thing is here you can see this is we only gave 3 colons, so while install any new model, ORM will create 5 colons, like one is the ID, another is a create date, another is a create UID, write UID, and write underscore date. So first one is ID. ID is auto generated. Each record, like while creating new records, it will auto generate. This is a 1 2 3 4 so on. The second one is create underscore date. While creating any new record, it will auto store in UTF format. So here you can see. Another one is create underscore UID, is relational field of user table, and who created record, that user ID will store here. Another colon is write underscore date, is used while changing any colon, but here lastly updated time will store, and same as like write underscore UID is relational field of user table, and it will log the ID of that user who wrote lastly. That's it for now. In case you have any doubt related custom model and database schema, please comment below. In next discussion you will see character field in brief. See you in next video.